Enche bia ena Ghana abamra no ema ho kwan. Se obi bia obefa kontrol ase bewie obi woni phone so anase obenam abafo kwan so na obetoto mrada ede awia no. Mra no bekekere no. Penifo de kopie mu omra hye bedwafie. Na akoye se ensem bi wo ho penifo betena se no aka ne yie. Nanso enne ya meka se ya penifo bebre na etwe ho dawere. Pani ba ko bepie so ofontomfom dwumade ekoso. Wakantanka fidua mu ha Richard Suma wono woye twehwefo edema United Party na wakasa wo kire se wo hwe abamra na ebo cyber security no hono wose nyima bebre wo mu a mpanifo nheda embie mu ema no na ho no mo kan.
Some aspect of the thing that says your gadget can be tampered with, your gadget can be seized and all those things. That means the media people, what device does the media use for their work? Any device is here. Any device is here.
Yeah.
And he said, who see you are preventing a journalist or a media practitioner or from somebody to use a device to record or to do this or to do that. Now, obia or record you now investigative journalism now. How do you expect investigative journalists to operate?
That is why the Ghana Journalists Association is...
So Ghana Journalists Association should wage a demonstration against this. They should petition the Parliament of Ghana. They should petition the executive and say that some aspect of the security bill, we disagree with it.
Yeah.
Because we need a free society that information can flow. Because if information doesn't flow, Obi planning say, Obi attacking Ray. And I'm here and I heard it.
No, I have information. I
can't give the information to Ray. Or I can't put the information out there because when the law catches with me, the law will jail me. But and yes, it will take advantage of everything and infuse some laws that will curtail freedom of speech and freedom of operation as investigative journalists.
Example.